May Allah protect me. Hello, good morning sir. Sorry for interrupt you. I'm new here. Today is my first day.
Good morning, welcome. May I know your name?
My name is Izrin Hilmi.
Alright, Israel. Which department are you assigned to?
I'm in marketing department.
Okay, you can go upstairs and you will see the office. Alright.
Thank you so much sir. Have a good day. Mr. Amirul, may I come in?
Yes, coming. Have a seat.
Thank you sir. Good morning, Mr. Amirul. I'm Izrin. I'm the new employee here.
Yes, welcome to the company, Izrin. I hope you are ready to learn and contribute to the team.
Yes, I will do my best to our company, and I will definitely prove to you that I will be your greatest staff you ever had.
Good, Izrin. I will assign Hakim to guide you today.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, see you again.
Should I answer it?
Yes, go ahead. This is your chance. Just be polite and speak clearly. People can hear your tone.
I can do this. Good afternoon, marketing department. This is Adrian speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, good afternoon, Mr. Zulzrin. I would like to ask you about your company service.
Oh, sure, sir. Thank you for calling. May I know what kind of service you are looking for?
I'm actually interested with your advertising package, so I want to know more details.
Noted, sir. Thank you. For advertising packages, it will be best if I connect you to the person in charge, so they can explain it more detail and suggest the best option for you.
Alright. That will be helpful for me.
May I know your company name, sir?
Yes, I am Hadi from RBS Group Training and Security Sdn Bhd.
Thank you, sir. Please hold for a moment while I transfer your call. Okay. I think I did great, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do next.
You did more than today. That was good. You were clear, polite, and professional.
Like, seriously, Hakim? I think I'm not doing well.
That's normal. First call usually like that. Now I'll take over. Watch how I do it. Good morning, sir. This is Hakim, the marketing executive. So, how was your first day?
For me, Hakim, it was a bit challenging today, but I learned a lot, like how to communicate with customer, how to talk with customer, and how to use the perfect language when I communicate with the customer.
That's normal. You did well today. Actually, I see you did a lot of great things today, like how the customer professional.
Thank you, Hakim. But at first, I was very nervous. But thank you to all of you, because very helped me.
Don't worry, you will get used to it. Everybody at this office happy with your place at the office.
I hope so. Thanks for having me today.
You're welcome. See you soon.
See you soon. Thank you, Allah.